Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your invisible WhatsApp notifications in the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. So if you don't see your WhatsApp notifications at the start, always check that you have the DND mode turned off. So open the top menu, expand the icons, and now just look for the Do Not Disturb mode, DND mode. As you can see, there we have this icon, and now you have to be sure that you have this feature deactivated, like here, with the gray icon. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon to open the app info by this little eye icon. Now go to the permissions, then add a permission to the SMS and the notifications. Now turn on all of these features like a pop-up badge, lock screen, allow sound and vibration. You can also go to the notification categories, sorry, not this one, in-app notification settings, and now you have to enable the hybrid notifications in this place and here. After that, go back it's time to open the mobile data, and now turn on the background data usage and the unrestricted data usage. After that, you can also try to clear your WhatsApp app, so go to the storage and choose clear cache. After that, if you still don't have your notifications, you can also try to clear your data. After that, log in again to the WhatsApp and check your notifications. But if you still don't have your alerts, open the settings and tap on the general management. Then go to the reset and choose the network settings. Tap on this button and tap on this button again. In the last step, you can also try to update your system, so if you have any updates, just open the software update, choose this section, and tap on the install now. If you have any update, you have to install it, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.